This video covers how to use Vulcan ScaleRelease to effectively delime generator-based steamers. Determining your deliming schedule. The frequency of deliming each generator with ScaleRelease and deliming the drain with white vinegar are determined by the hardness of the supply water line to the steamer. The part number for an available test kit for water hardness can be found in the description of this video and posted in the comments. Preparing to delime. Warning: read and follow the instructions on the deliming material package. Avoid contact with skin and eyes. Wear plastic or rubber gloves and safety goggles when handling. Wash thoroughly after handling. If deliming solution comes in contact with the skin or eyes, rinse thoroughly with clean water. Repeat the following steps twice for 2-cavity floor steamer models that use the SMF 620 scale blocker filtration. 1. Fill a clean container with 1 gallon of hot tap water. 2. Pour in and mix to dissolve 14 ounces of the ScaleRelease powder. Deliming the steamer. 1. Turn the power switch off. Wait 10 minutes for the steam generator to completely drain and the drain valve to close. 2. Close the compartment door and make sure the timer is off. Warning: the delime port cap will be hot. Use a glove or towel to open the cap. 3. Remove the delime port cap on top of the unit and insert a funnel into the delime port. 4. Pour the pre-mixed deliming solution into the steam generator slowly to avoid spillage. 5. Remove funnel from the delime port and wipe around the port with a moist clean towel or rinse with clean water. 6. Lightly coat and delime port threads with a food-grade lubricant and install delime port cap. Tighten and secure the cap. 7. Turn the steamer on. 8. After 40 minutes of preheating, turn cooking timers on for 15 minutes to delime the tubes and nozzles. 9. After the buzzer sounds, turn the unit off. Allow the generator to completely drain for 10 minutes. Visually verify the steamer is draining. Rinsing steam generator after deliming. 1. Pour 1 cup of white vinegar down the drain inside the cooking compartment. 2. Turn the steamer back on. 3. Set timer for 5 minutes. 4. When the timer buzzes, turn the unit back off and allow the steamer to drain for 10 minutes. Now you are ready to use your generator-based Vulcan steamer. For more information on operating and maintaining your steam equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.